Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you Capcut export problem solve. So if you experience that whenever you try to export your file here or your video here on your Capcut and you will see this notification, it only means that you have clicked something here, either an effect or something that is under Pro version. So the best thing to do here in order for you to continue or proceed is to join Pro or get Pro for free. If you want to join Pro, then of course you have to pay for this amount right here in order for you to upgrade your plan, upgrade to Pro, and you can proceed with the export. Or you can get Pro for free by inviting your friends. So it depends. For example, if you invite 10 friends, then you will get up to 70 days of free pro version. Okay, but if you don't like to upgrade or if you don't want to proceed or join pro, then the best thing to do here is you have to remove that effect or anything that is under pro version and replace it with something under the basic version. So you can go back and then remove that or change the effect that is, or select an effect here that is only for free version. Another thing is that if you try to export and you cannot export your file or video here on CapCut, is that you have less storage and you cannot download this file anymore. You need to delete files on your device or your computer in order for you to export this. So it's either you use Pro version, Pro effect, or your PC or your storage cannot able to export files from CapCut. So you just have to delete and then go back to CapCut and export it again. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.